We have to keep moving to make progress. We are in transition from today to tomorrow. Railway is one of the most efficient, sustainable, and safest means of transport, a classic with a great future. High-performance, long-lasting infrastructures of tomorrow require innovative and robust technologies. PORR Slab Track Austria, STA for short, paves the way for sustainable and resilient railway. This trailblazing slab track technology is highly modular, adaptable, long-lasting, and completely maintenance-free at the system level. In contrast to conventional in-situ slab track constructions, Slab Track Austria is produced under factory conditions. This significantly minimizes the potential for errors at the construction site and ensures high track quality. The slabs can be delivered to the construction site just in time in consistently high and documented quality. PORR Slab Track technology provides advantages significant for metro, high-performance, and high-speed lines. System installation is fast and requires minimal on-site adjustment and labor. Leaner than conventional constructions, PORR Slab Track Austria ensures lower construction height and width, enabling project cost optimization for civil structures on new lines and for rehabilitation of track in old tunnels, in tunnels and on bridges, in cuttings and on embankments. Fastening options for integration of additional railway components such as sound absorbers, accessibility for emergency vehicles, guide rails or third rail are provided in the PORR slab with millimeter precision, ensuring easy on-site installation, maintainability, and improving safety during operation. Thanks to the well-thought-out design, slab replacement can be accomplished during night engineering hours if necessary. The PORR technology provides almost unlimited track adjustment possibility in case of large settlements. PORR Slab Track Austria is in operation in Europe and Asia and is gaining momentum worldwide. PORR's team of experts is a one-stop shop for slab track know-how, from consulting, design, and planning to production and supply, all the way to construction and monitoring. A slab track technology that has been proven in use throughout decades, reliable and highly available with minimal maintenance and maximum safety. Our journey into the future with PORR Slab Track Austria. For all of us and the coming generations. Slab Track Austria.